Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Sennheiser CX SPORT Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings, wiping all of the pairing history off of them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with these earbuds not connecting to Bluetooth or not syncing or pairing with your device, or if they keep disconnecting, or any issues like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset to the factory default settings. Now the second reason is if you just, for whatever reason, you want to delete all the pairing history off of these headphones so that you can go ahead and get a fresh start like you're pairing a new set of headphones, we can do this really easily. All we need to do is first of all make sure that the Bluetooth is turned off on whatever devices they've been paired with in the past, because this will not work if it's paired with something. It has to be in pairing mode. So once all the Bluetooth's off, we can just go ahead and turn these off. We'll turn them on, and if they're not on already, if they were already on, turn them off and then turn them back on. Because when you turn them on, they'll automatically go into pairing mode, which will be indicated by the light on it flashing alternatively red, blue, red, blue, red, blue. Once it's flashing alternatively red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, you just come in and press and hold the plus button for 2 seconds until that red, blue, red, blue, red, blue goes purple 3 times, purple, 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 and then back to red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, which means that the all the pairing history has been cleared off of it, and you can go ahead and re-pair these earbuds as a new device.